Hello, this is my new iPod Touch. I just bought it yesterday and I am unboxing it. See, 90-day return policy. Okay, so we'll see. Open. I bought it at Costco. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Okay, there you go. Now, it says there, 64 gig. Okay, tingnan natin. I think you have to take this tab out. Oh, sorry. I have to put this here. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ayan. I think there's a plastic. Ayan. Oh, see. How do I take this out? I cannot take it out. Wait a minute.